Want to know how to add a date to your website in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your WordPress.com and make sure you are under your admin side of your current website. Now, once you're there, just simply towards pages right here. And once that is done, just simply select your sample page or anything that you like. Now, once the page editor loads up, on the top left side right here, you should be seeing this plus icon. This is your block editor or block adder. Now, once you're there, you can simply select block or patterns, any one of these two. So you can just simply sort up, scrolling down, or you can just sort it up from the search bar up top that is located right here. Now, once you've done it, here you should be seeing a date after I searched for it. So you can just simply drag and drop it to the site right here, or just select it once. It should be automatically dropped into your site. So right here, you should be seeing your date. So you can just simply change it by selecting this date icon right here, and then selecting it in various other types like columns, groups, and much more. So you can just simply double click it to edit it, or simply select this edit icon to edit the date. And that's it. Super simple and easy. You can also edit the time right here and the date as month, day, and then year. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.